Guys, we have Air, iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 16 Pro. The both camera we are going to compare today. See, look at that. And we will see some objects and we will go outside. Also, we will check the front camera. And before going to that, I will tell you, this both are in 30 frame per second, 1080p, not 4K, 1080p. Okay, look at that. There is a big difference in the rear cam. It's a full brightness actually. There is a something different. Look at that, the coloring and the brightness, some difference are there. Now let's go to the another color. Look at that. Here almost similar feel you will get for the both. And I want to check the bokeh also. Bokeh is both camera is giving similar bokeh. You can see the background, how it is looking, everything. It's okay, I think. And now we will check another color. See, there is all depends upon the colors. Look at that. Here some drastic changes are there. This is a little dim and this is more bright. It's elegant. Now we are looking this retail daddy office. The India's most advanced, powerful retail billing software, retail daddy office. They are providing retail, billing softwares. And now let me go to outside, and we will come back again, and we need to check the front camera also. So let me go to outside. So the straight way we are going outside, and also I want to share with you the macro. See, when we are going outside, there is something called blurry effect. Sudden light comes, then something goes wrong. Look at that. Now it's almost okay, I think. Now again we will go to the darkish part. Yes, slightly flickering. Yes, now it's okay. Go down. Yes, now it's okay, I think. And the cloud is coming properly. Look at the cloud. Cloud is capturing very clearly. And yes. And the zoom thing, let me check the zoom. The iPhone Pro 5x and this is only 2x. There's a big difference in the zoom. Now 1x, 1x. And there is no 0.5 in this Air. 17 Air, there is no 0.5, but here there is 0.5 options are there. Like you can wide more. And the color, look at that small house. See the reddish in the iPhone 17 Air. It's very clear, more sharpened. But in the iPhone 16 Pro, it is not much sharpened. And the entire color scenario is completely different. Like here you will in the iPhone Air, you are getting very good quality green colors, and in the in the iPhone 16 Pro, you are not getting that much. It's little bit yellowish color is coming. Go to sky. Sky also is very nice in the 17 Air. It's very nice. Look at that. It's very nice. And let me go for the stabilization. Both camera I am holding like that. I am just running up to there. Okay, just running. Just this is where I am running. Okay. Now you can see what is the stabilization. You can observe by yourself. And I did not open any kind of in both phone. Normal stabilization is on. Enhanced stabilization is on. And in a sports stabilization not on. And let me run up to there. 1 second. Both have camera with me. Yes, I am running. Yes. Now look at that. And here again we will watch the stream. Look at that. The 17 is the camera is more and more accurate. Look at that. More beautiful. 17 Air. The clarity, everything is good. Only the zooming function is not there for the Air. The remaining things, everything same. Only zooming function is there, but the camera is really worth. And now we need to go for a front camera. So let me switch off this video. I am switching this camera to the front, this one also to the front. The problem is that in 16 and 17, the iPhone, the only one problem is that both our skin, the black things, everything is exposing. But in some other manufacturer, they don't have like this. What about the bokeh? And one more thing is that for the video, there is no cinematic mode for this Air. 617 Air, there is no cinematic. Only portrait photography is there. But I think the front camera looks similar, but maybe some difference will be there. But in the outdoor, both look similar. Even this one is more megapixel, but even though it's not feeling that much, but slightly there is a changes is there, of course. I do agree. Slightly there is a changes is there. And both camera I clean perfectly, the lens part, everything I clean with, the cleaner, so that everything is clean. And the front camera, you look at the outdoor. Look at that, outdoor, how we are looking. There is no big drastic changes, but somehow, somewhere there is something is there. And this is a honest review. For your confirmation, let me show you the both cameras 10x 1080p. See, 1080p, 4K, whatever it is, we need to understand that what is that. Let me off this. See, 1080p means the frame size. 4K means larger frame size. That is the main difference. The depth, everything is another scenario. So anyhow, this is HD, 30 frame per second. This is same HD, 30 frame per second. You can see, maybe you have. Guys, the final last testing for the macro. Look at this product. Both camera, I am going with close-up. The macro is not automatically opening. Now it is working. See, this one macro will work. Means in the closer situation you can manage it. But in the closer situation, there is a focal length, this much distance we need to maintain. But in the Pro Max, there is no problem. See, it's crystal clear, but here it will not work. There is a focal length is there. So that is the difference. There is only one lens, there is a three lens. So that's a honest review. Thank you so much. My name is Shibin. Welcome. Thank you. Bye-bye.